Yaya.
Taken off it.
Kiss Yaya.
That's what I found.
You know
So
what?
I
You don't want to get?
don't
You don't want to
remember
get?
you telling me about the personal.
Yeah,
data,
it's a gift
and I
for
looked
you.
it up on
Kiss
the
Yaya.
website to see if I could personalize
Kiss
it.
Yaya.
So anyway, so I got it for 150 for that bag.
Ito na. Saan ba?
Kiss Yaya. Do to Yaya. Do to Yaya. Do to Yaya.
was like
Daniela,
trying
are
to
you
get the
photobombing the picture? Daniela,
It's a train.
It's a train.
Yeah, let's sit there. Black Zilla.
what's your present from Yaya?
Kiss Yaya first.
Yaya has a present.
Ayaw mo? Naku, bibigay ko sa mga bata.
Okay, he's gonna give it to
Oh, Yaya's gonna
Oh, he's gonna get it.
Okay, go over there. Go over there.
Kiss Yaya
Yaya,
first.
go kiss Yaya. Anak.
Ay,
Dali na.
Yaya, you want Yaya's gift?
late na naman. Yaya kahapon.
Kiss na lang ako, kiss.
Late lang, get out of the way.
Bring it with you. You'll bring it with you.
What is this?
Gonna break.
Late na naman.
Sige na, anak.
Come on. Come on. Kiss Yaya.
Mamsi.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, kiss Yaya.
What is that? I'll give it to Ate Jessie.
Babsi, kiss Yaya. Come on.
Yaya. Thank you, Yaya. Say thank you, Yaya. Thank you, Yaya first. Say thank you first. Wow! You haven't said thank you yet.
Say thank you.
Wow.
Say thank
Say
you, Yaya.
thank you,
Yaya.
Layla, get out of the way.
Say thank
Kiss
you,
Yaya.
Say thank you, Yaya.
Kiss,
Oh,
kiss,
Kiss
Yaya.
Yaya.
Kiss.
Kiss.
Kiss, embrace.
Wow.
What's funny is he's already seen all these.
I know she's seen this already.
And he already knew he was gonna get it.
Yeah, we saw it already.
Yeah, he saw it.
Yesterday. Nabasa